Hello there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle. Are you tired of swiping and searching for love? Do you want to attract a magnetic, lasting relationship? Then join us as we learn the secrets to attracting the love of your life. In today's video, you'll learn how the law of attraction and the law of vibration works in your favor to attract love. We'll give tips on keeping your vibration high, presenting the best version of yourself, and what to do when doubt creeps in. So get your notebook ready, and let's get started. What is the law of attraction? It's the belief that our thoughts create our reality. Ultimately, we are responsible for our experiences in the 3D world through what we choose to believe. Similarly, the law of vibration is always working and states that everything around us vibrates at a specific frequency. Therefore, everything emits a vibrational frequency from our thoughts and bodies to the physical world. How can we use these laws to attract magnetic love? It starts with our thoughts. First, focus on how you feel in a safe, loving relationship. Then imagine the details of the relationship. If you're having difficulty visualizing this in your mind's eye, write things down in a journal or a notes app on your phone. Then, transport the thought from inside your mind into our 3D reality, because our thoughts emit a vibrational frequency. We also want to raise our vibration to the frequency of what we desire. Since we're assuming you want to attract a vibrant and magnetic love that will stand the test of time, it is essential to raise your vibration and show up as the best version of yourself. So now that you've visualized what it is you'd like to attract, it's time to let it go and trust the universe. Then, to keep yourself in alignment with what you desire, focus your energy inward. Heal old wounds, practice grace, and give detached love to everyone you meet. Every time you practice loving others, it sends a signal to the universe that you're ready to receive love. Do this with the expectation that you will receive nothing in return. Instead, you're doing it for the sake of making the world around you better. Now that you've become intentional about the vibrations you're emitting, it's important to remember that someone else is manifesting you. They too are vibrating at the same frequency, and the universe, in its own time, will bring you both together. Have you ever tried to force two like poles of a magnet together? No matter how much we try, forcing it will not work. Everything that we're chasing is actually running away from us. We need to put our trust in the universe and understand that what is meant to be ours will be. Trying to force things to happen will only disrupt our balance in the manifestation process. The universe wants balance. Don't think that means we don't have to take action, though. On the contrary, we must take intentional action to help things along. Think about it. If you've imagined your magnetic match, visualized every last detail, and expressed your desire to the universe, then don't put yourself in settings where you could meet this person. It won't happen. This action should be balanced and keep you in alignment with your desired outcome. These actions include practicing self-care to show up as the best version of yourself. They also have you putting yourself out there in situations that open you up to the opportunity to attract love. That may be networking events or other social gatherings. Because we're human, we may encounter intrusive thoughts and limiting beliefs that try to keep us in our comfort zone. Our brains are designed to keep us safe. However, sometimes it sees change, even though it's positive, as something that should scare us. These thoughts can be detrimental to the manifesting process. Some examples of limiting beliefs are, I'm not worthy of love, and all the good ones are taken, or I always attract the wrong person. No matter how good you've become at practicing the law of attraction, these thoughts can still sneak in. So let's replace those with affirmations aligned with attracting magnetic love. Try repeating these instead. I am worthy of being loved. My vibrational match is making their way toward me, and I am ready to receive their love. Repeat these types of affirmations often, and they will soon feel true to you. Here at the Manifestors Circle, we want to hear about what you're manifesting. So now is a great time to declare to the universe what it is you want to attract. If you feel open to it, comment below with your intentions. Then circle back when you found your magnetic love and update us on the progress. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.